Hello and welcome to another update video about Near protocol. With Near, I'm really pleased again that the Elliott waves have worked out so far. In my last video, I showed you that we were coming down here in this bull flag that we identified here in the video, and that bull flag actually broke out to the upside. And then as forecasted, we continued to move higher. So on the Near protocol, you know, I am very bullish. I talked about it in one of my, I think it was my top 3 cryptos for 2022. And one of them was the Near protocol. It's going really nicely. It is also one of the few cryptos which is not in the same pattern as Bitcoin or Polkadot or VeChain that is in a correction. I think Near protocol still is in a bullish move here, in a bull run. And you can clearly see that because the Near protocol has done a completely different move than many other cryptos. We can see here that there is no possibility of this being a wave B or anything. No, in my view, this is a clear, well, this is a wave 5. So we're towards the end of that one move up here. Yeah. But because we have moved up so much higher than the previous all-time highs, we are not in a correction. We are here bullish, and this has worked out so far. So we have come up, in my view, here from the 4th of December in a wave 1, came down in a wave 2. Yeah. We then moved up in the so far longest wave 3, which is typical for a wave 3. Came then down here in a wave 4. And we are now possibly in the wave 5. Have we finished the wave 5? I don't think we have yet. I think there is at least one more leg up. There is no guarantee for that, but I think we are towards the end of this uptrend. Yeah, that is what I need to point out here. That doesn't mean there won't be more uptrends after that, but of this 5 wave structure, I think we are towards the end. Yeah. But it's great because it just confirms again that the Elliott wave count works. This is again not an ABC correction. As you know, for many other cryptos, I do expect a massive move down. For the Near protocol at the moment, I don't do that much, not as much as for Bitcoin, for example, or Polkadot or VeChain. What we can see here is, in my view, that 5 wave structure, and yeah, so far we are moving higher. Now within that 5th wave, can we identify 5 waves? I think we can here. So within that 5th wave, what we can identify is here a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and I think that 5th wave is still coming. Yeah. Now, normally a 5th wave is nothing where you want to get into necessarily because it's only the last leg. Normally you want to get into a wave 3. Because in a wave 1, it's still not clear, is it really an uptrend? In a wave 2, obviously it's a correction, so you wouldn't really necessarily go in there long. In a wave 3, that's normally when you want to get in as early as possible, because then it is typically the most bullish, the most longest wave, and then you would normally ride it till the end. But where are we now? Why do I think there is another leg coming? Well, if this is what works, if this is what is expected, this is a wave 4 here where we currently are, and the wave 5 is still coming. What I normally do, I check the fib levels. Wave 4 normally comes down to the 0.382 fib level. That's the most relevant fib level for a wave 4 correction. And well, you can see it works out, because what this is, if I may, to the absolute point, this is the 0.382 fib level. If you're wondering why it says 0.618, don't worry, I have them inverted for various reasons, but it is the same. It is the 0.382 fib level at $16 here, and we came down, you can see that here, absolutely on spot to the 0.382, which makes me very confident that this is a wave 4. So that means a wave 5 should still be coming. One easy way to identify a potential price target for a wave 5 would be just to take the length of the wave 1. The wave 1, so we had here the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and within that obviously we had a wave 5. And if we take the length of the wave 1, then we start down here, and this is just a rough estimate. Wave 1, yeah, this was the length of the wave 1, and we add it to the low of the wave 4, which was here. So you had the 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is wave 5. And within wave 5, I expect another leg up. But for that whole wave 5 here, what would be the target level? Starting here, taking the length of the wave 1, and it would be sitting here at around 19 US dollars. So if we also take the fibs from the low to the high, oh no, let's just take the wave 1. So first of all, what is interesting to see is that, again, you know, it also worked out, because normally what you say for a wave 3, so we had here wave 1, 2, 3. The wave 3 normally gets at least to the 1.618 extension. And we can see that it did come to the 1.618 extension. And now we're currently finding resistance at the 200% fib level. And I would expect, as I said, another leg up. But after that, we could see an ABC correction. But we'll take it from there. My next target would be, what did I say? Was it $18, $19? Well, let's just try it again. I forgot already. Yeah, around here. So if that's the length, around 1850. You know, that is what we can expect, I think, in another move up. But there I would be very careful, because also on the daily, if we just take a look here on the daily, we are getting very close to overbought. We also need to be careful that we are not getting a bearish divergence here. You know, you see higher prices here on the price, but you can see a lower RSI high, indicating a potential bearish divergence. Also here, what we saw on the daily, we saw here the buying pressure losing out a little bit, but it's not a confirmed bearish cross yet. But I would get a little bit careful now. I think long term there is still potential, of course, for the Near protocol. Otherwise, I wouldn't have called it one of my favorite cryptos for 2022. But yeah, there is just a typical ABC correction which might come after this pump. I mean, we had a pump here, then you get your ABC. We had a pump here, then you get your ABC. You have a pump here, and you get your ABC. You know, and that's how it moves on, the Near protocol. Very exciting, very different as well compared to other cryptos in terms of the chart. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.